Osofo Kofi Oduro, uye nyaachum papa.
Etoda bi a wo ho. Moma ye mu bi ne fele se onyame fie ni nyame adwuma mu no enyoyimu ne too much.
Yase mu asemu mpenipa na mom nipa ene pene ho se comedian ne so a. Sofo penny prophet Kofi Oduro na so ye hyepa. Enka this time heat no na enka ko prophet Bernard eso. Enso no Kofi Oduro abeji ewuo no. Obeji asenua no. Every prophet Bernard ekomu. Our media na so Biscout na prempe. Trouble Carlos. Any many other TikTokers as that come out HS of Penyah says Sebi Prophet Kofi Oduro or a hypocrite. Everyone say we can find Prophet Bernard no mus there be papa yi. Onye nyame nipa or a hypocrite man. I Penyah block media. Mess say any demo. Obe like video no other man put subscribe button and back the notification icon latest update na better wa dwe ma me e wo comment section so ba so a. No share for anya bia hwe. So mo me fa nkwa che kakra. Obe kia 2024 ni mo. Election, there was one particular prophet. Na ojina ba omi NMP before chipa prophet Victor Kusibuatin. As na enye easy. No dem come say MPP achieve they say MPP will win. Baumia will win. Nothing can stop Baumia from winning.
Things are difficult. I know that there are two people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia shall be crowned the president of Ghana.
And at the end of the election, they will separate the boys from the men. In terms of those in the prophetic, they will separate the boys from the men, and he will prove to Ghanaians that he's a man in prophecy. Just say, that's all free, or making noise across the country.
Papa, what are you saying? Papa, prophets are prophesying all over. After your prophecy, everybody is aggressive. Bishops are praying and prophesying. Pastors are prophesying. What is Papa saying? Has the verdict changed? Watch this. I stand here to let you know that what the Lord told me during Signs and Tokens conference, which was reaffirmed when we were having the all night, the Lord told me is the final verdict of the election. Nothing has changed. And by the 9th of December, we shall know the men from the boys, the prophets from the people.
Giving prophecy for MPP, giving victorious prophecy for MPP and Baumia ahead of the 2024 election. At the end of the election, Baumia Elusi, Emma the next Sunday, Sophie, in fact, now the Megwas power Ghana had more. Attack echo so Emma of the patch.
The way some of you have been brought out there is the same way God spoke to me. But God can never be a liar. Let me be the liar. But the God that we serve is a true God. This is not the time, ladies and gentlemen, to go out there and to make arguments about my father I did this and did that. No. Let's give God all the glory. I said what I saw. I didn't manufacture it. And I'm telling you the truth, I saw what I saw. And God decided to do what He did. And I cannot contend with Him. And He is always right. Get this in your spirit. Regardless of what we encounter, tell your neighbor, God is always right.
But Opacha no. Prophets Kofi Oduro, ejina na saw them. To be man so fuwe born na dwe treno.
President. You'll be a president, if you don't become a president, then I'm not a prophet. Of course you are not a prophet. Of course you are not a prophet. Asiam commission ngwasi edi we wan ejira. Nyame ben wo sori a wotimi kekense uhunu sa. Sa unya sa nyame no free. Huh? And the Lord has given you the country. The Lord is with you. The Lord has said, the Lord. Monkanchire wo musubanye kuta wo mono. Na wo monsachire free suben fi suban fon kankano. No monfa no kure ne nante. Enu mom ne ye adwuma. And that this that. Remember me ga some job. Se nyame kasa se obi ye MP. Opa reg enchine bottom ma. He will be. And yes, I'm commissioner. Ube we need power, but I have my power. And not actually saying. No, what do you TDM actually saying? We be we never my power actually saying. When will be our winning our power? Yamin Casasa, Yamin on Casa, you are Casa, back. Finish. Mugo tebe bi China say engomshe no ana na wunya nyame akasa na manya kukodro mama nyame se wo be wi ewie ebemu a wo ye odifo amemu a wafuru na adenam eye adwuma nhyehyeye obi ono ade ya no mehu asa we ba power asa atene nyame onkekense wunu munya isa munse hunu no amode te Ghana ha no 2019 me ma mo won ba mante no ma start Jimmy no na mu Jimmy all over the place Penny ngwase amode ya bremu Vice President in Wari Nsumu jina na mo kikense hunu no a wari no kura wa ji atum se wari na mu jina kikense wo dia Lord. Listen, I have few people God spoke. What is my big ha kase? Asumesi nyame ka chem so be we. What be that?
And you know, so Prophet Victor Kusibu atia. Ne prophecy bi a odi aba concerning election from 2008 Mills e pencil edibesi na. Ne nkomhye bia dito 2008 okasa Mills ebe we ne Mills e we ne ye 2012 okasa NDC be we ne NDC we ne ye 2016 okasa Kufa we ne ye 2020 okasa Kufa be sa transfer we ne ye je say na ne nkomhye bia eka ne nkomhye for prophecy hu bia de bia mfomoda it occur to ne for na man for ginidi but a flop here in fact na so eyehye e ma hu ye Kofi Oduro ebedi na tem sabi ana ye kwa bibi primary so na ebesi ye Prophet Bedat e don come share by say Kennedy and winning. Nothing can stop Kennedy from winning.
It's impossible for Kennedy or Agyapong not to win the flag bearership.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Are you serious?
It's like the way a dog cannot fly.
Are you serious?
That's how impossible it is for Agyapong to lose the flag bearership.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you that those who are supporting several candidates, they themselves know that their candidates will not win.
Even should the delegates decide not to vote in their mind, during the voting time, their finger, their thumb was stretched to mistakenly vote for Kennedy Agyapong. By force, just say nothing. Everyone can say nothing can stop Kennedy from winning. But I was at the end of the day, no. You will say so for Penyah and come to the bar every day. You are nuclear is also. And come to this also ma a tofa home. I say, and yes, to found 12. Now a garble pa because about Mianya 56 point something. Couldn't ya 23 points? I say, and ya garble ketua. Garble pa mugab. Garble pa and ya garble ketua. Yes, and go say Satan. Emma soften and I do not probably Bernard, Eddie chopper. Every Ghana falling as Safuma. Obaga say on the last of man, the only means to be say, Unya, Sonara, Munya, so the choice is yours. Opeso just wait me. Opeso stays so a bit stay. Simple. I have from a crow, be a poor biacho, David. What do you rather public apology? Now, no. Anna Prophet Kofi Oduro a better than Adri. The non could say Prophet Kofi Oduro, why be paying? Because Prophet Victor Kusi what in person. Oh, about arguing trend there, and near Biswaba. Bebo arguing. But Prophet Kofi Oduro by no. Now say, oh, defended Prophet Bernard. Bernard, as oh, defended them.
I stand here, ladies and gentlemen. Come here. I want to ask Ghanaians, pay attention. Prophet El Bernard, I know him personally. I can stand here and say El Bernard is the prophet of God. I don't care what you think. El Bernard have been here. I know him. I know his wife, Mimi. They are close to my heart. I find something about the Christians. When people go to war as soldiers and they are wounded, the fellow soldier soldiers will carry the wounded soldier from battlefield. And even when bullets are flying, we want to take the wounded soldier back to barracks or base. It is only the Christians who will kill a wounded soldier. It is only the Christians. They will kill you with their mouth because you made one mistake. When he prophesied about Gamanche, when he was not a Gamanche, Your Majesty, good morning to you. It is just for example purposes. Nobody spoke about it. He picked Gamanche in Kumasi, a family chapel, when he was an ordinary citizen, and said, in 2 years, I see you becoming. He spoke the mind of God. It came to pass. He spoke concerning President Mahama. It came to pass. And I know he spoke concerning the Empriso MP. There is an MP, young lady in parliament right now. I know the lady. Sunyane West MP. Sunyane West. I was there when God spoke concerning that lady. You will be an MP. First attempt, she won. So then, I want to ask Ghanaians, please forgive Bernard L. Bernard. We don't always get it right because we are men. And I think that it's time we let you know that we are not demigods. We are not supermen. We are men of God. We have made the error of projecting ourselves beyond our capacity. But if God is able to do something with us, we should be like Paul that says that we are unprofitable men. We have only done what we were assigned to do, and God alone be the glory.
No, and I was saying, there is of you when you are hypocrite. It will come down as a busia. Biscout Prempe, Nana Prempe, or ne Trouble Colors, any other TikTokers. Home a come against the Prophet Kofi Oduro.
Ghana for Radia Sumuju income. Prophet Kofi Oduro. Also, Penyah Asumuju income with mine. The video be a why I would say Prophet Bernard in Odisha in Kunai. I mean, you know, what to say on a moon. But the person may coward Semka Krebi. Urumai. A toda be our home. Moma, you move in Phyllis said when you fee in your mere Jumun and you money too much. Shadi be. You were for Ghana ha almost shank come far about 31st, a be session come and my old babo and tebe blasty warm. If you mon come so much share ya mem. Obe blasty warm. Same cran say I would ma Prophet Bernard who saw the same cran say we must ask of when be done as I did when be that. Obe blasty warm. But I never saw a video Oma or mine when a Prophet Bernard who said Sadi a tuni beti man gidi ashiase and I say obetimi ato apiwo nyamisuma and I say gidi mu enti anamo tu a wutu bema sebi the gidi besa sorry but one when say difo no ho so omo nso no sebi omo ye nipa na so nyaminsu bi omo ni wono hu bibia ya dom na ato so wan hu saade no o blasti wo mo a na anwene say omo nso no sebi omo gidi betimi ahwefom ba blasti wo you see I say Yimuni ya you too much when you fee. You were defo be wa ho ba somebody we are with them. But the defo be who ba somebody young crucify woman. Yanyanis out. Mummy you. Erade moye.
Rakati asamaba. Ebiana de ekoso no unyanya mu ntiase. Se mobeka ya osofo Kofi Oduro eni owusu bempa benya bifu bi. Na beef no ni benya ye ni nyina no simple because of say osofo Kofi Oduro say osu bempa emfiri nyame na wo se enkomfon enkomtantan na nensam na wo ka no se mo ntiase a before se be ko osu bempa de no so ne all that ma menkyere mu osofo Kofi Oduro say Osofu bia ye friend no Bernardo, and your friend Bernardo, whatever the name is. Ebe se nkom se eye MPP fo abaye omukoko 2 ye ana omope okandini amu babedi MPP anim no. Enkrofo ani anim se there is possibility, more possibility. There is possibility say omubetimi ababeteki na eba omia ni Kennedy Agyapong. But ye nyina ni anim say there is more possibility say enipa no beteki eye baumia. Because love na man forward the man on nim say edoso eche kendie no. Enti ampa omode ma baumia. Na omode ma baumia no ahanomo ena problem no ewo. Se mo beka ya Sophia Freno Bernardo ebe hye nkom say ye papa Kennedy Agyapong ena obeba bekita MPP for Franca. Kom se na wo say no it was meant to connect. On say Kennedy Agyapong ye connect. Ena disconnect ye. Enti disconnect ye no. Ena Ghana for say ene omu ensopa no na adai. Na ye ka asofo mu ye atrofo a na che say Bernardo ana Bernard oka ho. Because osofo de eni kwan say wo be hye nkom emane adai etofa ho. Osofo wo hye nkom a wo se ebam. Na mre bi kwa na metie Avram Bemushi o ka asem bi o quotation bi say enkom se na nkasa no se wo sekra na se mamu a Bible ne che so si ekun o quotation no on the kan people to read the Bible no for na say o mo ntiase say eye prophet Kofi Oduro se Bible ne kan bibi say ne se emre bi a atwa mu se wotimi ba bonten ebedidi osofo owusu bempa atam se enye ono nkwampo obeka Sophia na pampa mape Sophia cheche kule e friend say na Jagezi so otimi beka omu nyina asem say omu nye asofo papa omu mfiri nyame na omu sese enkom a ennim enkom a mm ono na beka ye o kan ni nyina na beka ye ema there were other video to bi kra de ma osofo usu bempa eno do de man straight bullet e kire ne say ye kan nyame nwosra ebi ne so na osofo bai ene senkom ema ne twiste when nyina che say omu ye stomach pastors ema asam no owusu bempa anya ne de obe reply ne kama o ma ne reply no ema wo kire no ema yeti ase say wono de oni ni asam na ono kwa be kanfo ne da na de wo ye no o ya ma wo tese o aso wo person ne ye dai enya asam na onhwe ne hu ye o kan sem bebre na ene ye koda sore ye na osofo a wo no oben wo waba wa sore pen wonim ne yire wonim ne ba enti so no akwa enkom na se enkom no amamu a ene ono ne de Ghana fo emmo empaye emfama no yemfa ne bone enche no na yenka hunu se ye nipa na asofofo no se ba akunya problem a na a Christopher tie no apart na a Christopher ye nyeni papa ho na mehu se sofo Kofi Oduro tie wo ye nyatwom wo ye very hypocrite wo ye so hypocritical unka no kore ena ye ka sofo a omunka no kro Ghana ye de waka ho ekwaye wusire mu de emie ntwa twene ye mie kro no na ebewu. The same issue eto amanfo de a with me ba abonten ebe condemn wo mo. Anka for me to believe say ufri nyame uye ni papa no, you should have stand on your grounds and let your brother know say he mess up. Onyankopon ka asam ntre na emo mama meka. Afa de wetimi anya ho ekotu quotation kire mu ebubo bodin enkom sa wa sha obobo register. Na asofo na wo be ka o masam no wo be so kire se o mu de ba kokura no wa sha nkom ma na bam omu ye ne da bia omu sha nkom no ma ne bam ebi so ho na twist na enyina ba ba twetwi wo mu so mu nka no kra because aye prediction na mu nyina mo ye enti adenti ena de oben wo ne de wantimi entwi nanim se de wa wo be twi osu bempa monim wo be twi na Agyapong manim so fo cheche kule adenti na no de ma meka ne sa we de ya wo dia entukro no yemia mebu a wonka no kre first pa na de wo me si Philip papa na me so aka no kro tie me hu ni video kra ntwamu da efi no community because mo sa wonka no kre ragati arrivederci
Osofo Kofi Oduro uye nyaachum papa umpe no kre na wonka no kre ene de ekoye ohu nipa de o se de ugina mu apaache o de amano ene de ekoye ohu nipa wa wonya sofo a wutimi kɔ na asɔre dem wono nso eba wa asɔre dem emamu kambom ebu nipa faso in the name of Nyankopon, in the name of eye twere konkron, in the name of osom ono de wo paache o de amano se enye sanete na wafom ewo se Kristofo nyina mo kambom asofo nyina mo kambom hey sanete emperefo se yankan di wachi a aya na eye se agro no ede emperefo kro na ka se yeyi kwan na anka wodan a aya na eye se ekwan no contractor ni no na ni gine wo sori a wo se asofo wo Ghana ebi mu nka no kre o ba bontin be didi asofo mo hye nkom revenue wusu bempamo Niger gaze mo ne mo keke ka ho o ba bontin e be di o matem all because of say o ma hye nkom o ba bontin be didi atem say asofo mo hye nkom e de support politicians ni no se be o me fake ene de wa wunua a ono so yenwu se wo ye fake ye ka no ho asema o ba be paache o se bi abekronza munyina mo ye pe kyereme wo yonko na menkyere wo suban wada no ho eye pataku ana wo do odwan nwoma adwira wo ho da bia bese wo nko a na ye bodin ekasa na wo ye papa wo na wo ka nokre but wo chen asofo a dan de nyina wo ba bonten ebe ka mo ho nsem so ma yesi wo ye nyaatwum papa anka revenue wo su bempa anka Niger gaze ana asofo binumu a omo kan say we be wini anaka amba mu a akenne wo be ba be gina ho aba be ka say ana wo sofo we die wunua no na wonim ne yere ana wono de oye papa na hwana ye bone wono de oye papa he ebusuya me so ade a mechiri ni nipa wo ye hypocrite and asore de bia meka say Osofo Kofi Oduro wo ye hypocrite hwe NPP time hwe sibi otiam na galamse eye hu dede ni efi se bia NDC for ba within short time galamse de ebetu ayira but omo baaye 1 year twam galamse na Osofo Kofi Oduro wo ye dede twa yasom no enne mate se wo ka ho asem bi galamse na NPP time Osofo we ye dede ekaseti aban na esiso no mo say NDC for buy waka galamse ho asem da there be onka because nenya na chief of staff onka galamse ho asem on preach against galamse ene de enso no nyina ni ate 87 na ni afura ohun de ekoso na adwemu no enso no nyina ate onka because nenya na chief of staff it oye den ko bo abanya esiso yi oye den ko bo machi on galamse but ne galamse tuo no ekoso enso no ni enteye amanfo guso ehye bush tu galamse no but wakana no atum because eninya party ene wa abemu sa pepepe na sofu ya wakɔhye nkom de ma eye Kennedy Agyapong ekɔwo ho ekotwafo anchen ene wonso wagina ne pulpit so a wo paachew edi amano se Ghana fo mfa nchen na Kristofo nyina nkambom na yen support na waka bia mana be mu pen itenes waka na afa nchen a yen fa nchen no yen fa nchen ne emfa nchen na china sibia asofo bi mu ka na amfa kwan mu a oba bedu o matem no Ghana fo be ka se we fake na sebi wonso a wo so fake so no we ede be na wo ye sebi kyeremo yonko na menkyere osuban abekronsa obi a o support boni bia no eno che se saa boni kro na o support onya so mfaso se ono na enhye nkom na osofo we beba na asori dem no aba be hye nkom omu wi a wonchendi enunti enene waba abonten because boni any fake omo fa kwan bi so egbo omutrim kan sem de hye nyankopon no ososo prophet bi enu o Ghana prophet bi enu o Ghana prophet no kra de ato ho say prophet Kofi Oduro kra onya prophet bi enu o Ghana munyina mu ye businessmen munyina mu de maadwene ene didi eye sebi asori ene asori man ho nene sa eye Bernard no eye Bernard no o kasa wona asori dem na mehwesi bi omo se ebo omo nsem no wonder say osofo mensa otabel eka say stupid born again Christians ene omo to omo se ebo omo nsem mo sofo etwantro e de hye nyankopon na mo se ese mo som no o se nyankopon ne ka kire no nyankopon so na no nya mienu nyankopon kan no kra nkire na no kra na waka no akwakwada ne ntro obofo emeka asem nkire na asem na oba be ka kire no eye kontompo na omo se eto no omo bo omo nsem se osofo no akwa akotwa ntro de akire Ghana fo ambem wa patch ntie ye bo ye nsem de geneso eye niwuo se obeye Kristo ni na wote sa asori dan wiem asori dan a omo nka no kre asori dan a mosofo a odimanim oboni trim kan nsem de hye nyankopon na moto na mo bo mo nsem na yiwie ya osofo Kofi Oduro sabi wo hu aniwuo a ewo sa no ma wie ho na ono so aba be gina ne pulpit so aba be kase yen fa nche no na etoda bi wa ye nipa na yitime fom he na wo ye nipa otime fom na wo nipa ne de fa ho ben enyo na wo se nyankopon na aba be ka kire wo itina se wo twa ntro de ase nyankopon na asesen na se wo ne nyankopon ni nyamo nka no kore mo da nipa akohwifo asofo a mo nka no kore mo de nyankopon din da nipa bonim be gu ase baako maako akohwifo asofo charlatans
Chile wadwe mame ewo conversation Penyah Media